working, speedo and everything else is working, the tack is working, temperatures are great, the air conditioning was just recharged and it's blowing nice and cold, the radio works, the antenna works. It's got a slight resonance from the sport exhaust, but otherwise is normal, par for the course. Great power, track straight, brake straight. These are really lovely cars actually, and I hope you enjoy it. I can also confirm that she runs exceptionally well in traffic. She is a wonderful GT4, if I do say so myself. Well, good morning. Here we go. Here's our cold start. A couple pumps. Starts right up. Good oil pressure. And we will get on the road. Autosport, bless it, and it is going to its new owner.